All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your plug of your trailer. Now, it doesn't have to be a plug like this. It could just be one of the other, I don't know, what are they, 5? It could just be one of the smaller ones like you put on a landscaping trailer where you only have like 4 little connections. Now, my trailer is a dump trailer and has brakes. So I'm going to try to clean this plug. You can see this thing. It looks awful. Let me see. Come on, a little closer. But that is how bad it looks. It's really, really dirty in there. Towing this back the other day, my stepdad dropped it off and it just kept going in and out. It was telling me my trailer was disconnected, then connected, then disconnected, and I think it has something to do with this plug. And he said he had the same problem. So I'm going to use some white vinegar to soak it in. And just one little red Solo cup, and I have some little pipe cleaners out of my gun cleaning kit from the military. Hopefully that'll work to clean inside there. Then when I do get it clean, I have a little dielectric grease and some like electric cleaner type stuff. It's supposed to be good to use on electrical stuff. So hopefully this will work on my trailer plug. I'm going to soak it in this white vinegar for, I don't know, a good 5-10 minutes maybe. And then just kind of shake it out, spray it out with some of this, and scrub it with these pipe cleaners. And then hopefully it works better. And I do have one adult beverage. That should help me out also. Just one. Let's put some white vinegar in there. I'm going to pour some of this white vinegar in here. Well, let me put my plug in there. I only need so much. Oh. And I think I'll go for, I don't know, at least probably 8 to 10 minutes because that's really bad. So it's all up in there. All right, I'll get back with you here in like 8 to 10 minutes. All right, that's been about 9 minutes. So hopefully this vinegar helped. Spray some of this cleaner in there too. All right, it's all cleaned out. It definitely looks a lot better. I can see all the connections now instead of them looking like dirt. So that should help. Now I'm just gonna put, I like to, some people don't like it, but I'm putting a little dab of dielectric grease on each one of these, just a little. And I'm going to test this, plug this back into my truck and try it out. I'm going to also tow this around a little bit just to see if it works good. Let's see if my trailer is connected. Oh, it's saying my trailer's connected. Oh, that's switching. Turn my gain up. Everything is looking better. Let's see if I got some 4-ways. Well, I have marker lights. Marker lights. Marker lights. Oh, looking good. I got my 4-ways are blinking good. Marker lights. Oh, that's on. Yeah, is this one? Looks like I might have one out. All right, looks like my trailer lights are working better. At least the other day I plugged them in and it didn't even seem to want to register rate at all. And then when I did get it to work, it kept turning on and off. So hopefully that's all it was, is my plug was way dirty. So I hope this video helped you out with cleaning your trailer plug or your boat trailer plug, whatever you tried cleaning out. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.